Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Gore Geyser from the Dead West set. They were black and white Zenithly Prime, but they get started with Griffon Claw over all of these skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I tried something a little bit different. I used Ivory Tusk to dry brush on the highlights for the skin. This works pretty well, and I think I'm going to have to try this a few more times for quick skin highlights, although I might try a colour that's a bit more sort of either lighter or a bit more of a darker base coat. For the weird boil things around the body and the inside of the mouth, I went with Kronos flesh. Getting the clothing started, I used olive green for what is left of his trousers. The tattered shirt now gets a quick base coat with British Khaki. For the base and a highlight on the shirt parts, I used Plague Brown. Next up, I go over all of the bone and claw parts with Skeleton Legion. To highlight and add some variation to the bones, I went over the tips with Bonewhite. Adding a wash to the Mini, I went with light tone wash over everything. While the wash dries, I add some sandy desert texture paste to the base. Finishing up, I add some Vampire First blood effects. And that was it for Gore Geyser. I like how the dry brush skin came out, but I do think next time I need to do two colors that are further away or add a third in as a darker base coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.